Hi everyone, I'm Joshua Dawson here in the beautiful country of Switzerland. Switzerland, separated from the European Union, is one of the many iconic, unique sites here in Europe.
The four national languages of Switzerland are German, French, Italian, and Romanish. While the Alps make up the bigger part of Switzerland, the Swiss population is about 8.5 million, concentrated in mostly the larger cities.
Today, I'm in the town of Lucerne. Its main attraction behind me is Chapel Bridge. During the 19th century, the water tower behind me was used as a dungeon as well as a vault. Well, that's it for me. I look forward to seeing you soon. Until then, folks. The water tower behind me. During the 19th century, the water tower behind me was used as a prison and also right behind me is Lucerne's. Today I'm in